Hi everyone, welcome back to Japan in your pocket. Kyoto is a must-visit destination for anyone coming to Japan, offering a perfect mix of history, culture, and natural beauty. With so much to see, you might be wondering, how can you explore this amazing city efficiently? Don't worry, in this video, I'll share a detailed 3-day itinerary, including the best ways to get around Kyoto and tips for navigating the city as a beginner. Let's dive in. Basic information on transport. 1. Public transportation in Kyoto. Kyoto has an excellent public transportation system that's easy to use even if you don't speak Japanese. Here are your main options. Train the JR lines and private railways like Hankyu and Keihan are great for traveling to major spots like Fushimi Inari Shrine and Arashiyama. Kyoto's bus network is extensive and reaches places like Kinkaku-ji and Ginkaku-ji. Buses are a bit slower during peak times, but they're very convenient for temple hopping. 1. Pro tip: get a Kyoto bus one-day pass for 700 yen. It offers unlimited rides for the day and saves you money. Subway Kyoto has 2 subway lines, the Karasuma line, north-south, and the Tozai line, east-west. They're fast and perfect for reaching central areas like Kyoto Station and Nishiki Market. 2. Taxi. Taxis are widely available and reliable, but they can be expensive for long distances. Use them for short trips or if you're traveling with a group. 1. Pro tip: many drivers don't speak fluent English, but showing them the destination written in Japanese or using Google Maps works well. 3. Bicycle. Kyoto is a bike-friendly city, and renting a bicycle is a fantastic way to explore. Many rental shops are near Kyoto Station or popular tourist areas. 1. Best for visiting nearby temples and exploring quieter neighborhoods like Arashiyama or the Philosopher's Path. 4. Walking. Kyoto is compact compared to cities like Tokyo, so walking is often the best way to soak in the atmosphere. Many attractions, like Gion and Kiyomizu-dera, are within walking distance of each other. 5. Is English widely spoken? While Kyoto is a popular tourist destination, English is not as widely spoken as in Tokyo or Osaka. 1. Helpful tips. Signs and announcements at train stations and buses are usually in both Japanese and English. Many restaurants and attractions have English menus or guides available. If you need help, using translation apps like Google Translate can be a lifesaver. Don't worry. Even if there's a language barrier, people in Kyoto are incredibly friendly and will do their best to assist you. Day 1. Historic Kyoto, Temples and Tradition. 1. Morning, Kinkaku-ji, the Golden Pavilion. Kick off your Kyoto adventure with one of its most iconic landmarks, Kinkaku-ji, or the Golden Pavilion. This Zen temple is covered in brilliant gold leaf and reflects beautifully in the mirror-like pond below. Why visit? 1. The contrast of gold against lush greenery in summer or snow in winter makes it picture-perfect year-round. 2. The beautifully landscaped gardens surrounding the temple are an oasis of tranquility. Pro tip: arrive right when it opens to enjoy the serene atmosphere before the crowds arrive. This is also one of Kyoto's most photographed spots, so come prepared with your camera. 2. Morning, Ryoanji Temple. Just a short trip from Kinkaku-ji is Ryoanji Temple, famous for its minimalist Zen rock garden. This UNESCO World Heritage Site features 15 stones arranged in a way that encourages quiet contemplation. Why visit? 1. The garden's design is a masterpiece of simplicity and serenity, representing the essence of Zen philosophy. 2. It's a place to slow down and reflect, a refreshing change from the bustling streets of Kyoto. Pro tip: try to spot all 15 stones from a single viewpoint. Spoiler alert, it's impossible from the ground. 3. Afternoon, Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. Next, head to Arashiyama, one of Kyoto's most picturesque districts. The Bamboo Grove is a magical place where sunlight filters through towering bamboo stalks, creating an ethereal atmosphere. Why visit? 1. It's like stepping into another world, and the sound of rustling bamboo adds to the experience. 2. Perfect for photos and videos that will make your friends jealous. Nearby attractions. 1. Togetsukiyo Bridge. This iconic bridge offers stunning views of the Katsura River and surrounding mountains. 2. Iwatayama Monkey Park. A short hike up the hill lets you interact with wild monkeys and enjoy panoramic views of Kyoto. Lunch recommendation: try a traditional yudofu, tofu hot pot meal at one of the local restaurants. It's simple, healthy, and delicious. 4. Evening, Tenryu Temple. End your day at Tenryu-ji, a UNESCO World Heritage Zen temple with a stunning garden. Designed by the famous Muso Saseki, the garden perfectly harmonizes with the surrounding Arashiyama landscape. 1. Why visit? The garden looks breathtaking in every season, from cherry blossoms in spring to autumn foliage. And it's a peaceful spot to reflect on the day and enjoy the sunset. Day 2, Spiritual Kyoto, Shrines and Culture. 1. Morning, Fushimi Inari Shrine. Start your second day at Fushimi Inari Shrine, famous for its thousands of vibrant red torii gates that wind up Mount Inari. Why visit? 1. Walking through the torii gates is a truly unique experience, offering both cultural and natural beauty. 2. Each gate is donated by a business or individual, making it a living piece of history. Pro tip: the higher you climb, the fewer people you'll encounter. Midway up the trail, there are smaller shrines and stunning views of Kyoto below. 2. Morning, Tofukuji Temple. Next, visit Tofukuji Temple, renowned for its autumn foliage. Its wooden bridges and Zen gardens are some of the best examples of traditional Japanese architecture. 1. Why visit? And the Tsutenkyo Bridge offers a panoramic view of the temple grounds, especially magical in fall. Oh, it's less crowded than some of Kyoto's other famous temples, making it a hidden gem for peaceful exploration. 3. Afternoon, Gion District. Take a break for lunch in Gion, Kyoto's historic geisha district. Wander the cobblestone streets of Hanamikaji and enjoy the traditional wooden machiya houses. 1. Why visit? And it's a glimpse into Kyoto's elegant past. And if you're lucky, you might spot a Maiko, apprentice geisha, on her way to an appointment. And the area is full of tea houses and kaiseki, multi-course meal restaurants, that serve exquisite Kyoto cuisine. 4. Evening, Kudera Temple. Wrap up your day at Kudera Temple, one of Kyoto's most iconic landmarks. The wooden stage, built without nails, offers incredible views of the city. 1. Why visit? In spring, cherry blossoms frame the temple beautifully. In autumn, the surrounding trees light up in vibrant red and orange. And don't miss Ottawa Waterfall, where you can drink from one of 3 streams for good fortune. Day 3, Hidden Gems and Modern Kyoto. 1. Morning, Ginkaku-ji, the Silver Pavilion. Begin your final day at Ginkaku-ji, a Zen temple that embodies simplicity and elegance. Its moss garden and sand garden are highlights. 1. Pro tip: walk the Philosopher's Path, a peaceful trail along a canal lined with cherry blossoms in spring and colourful leaves in autumn. 2. Morning, Hen Shrine. Visit Hen Shrine, known for its massive red torii gate and beautifully landscaped garden. It's an impressive example of Kyoto's fusion of tradition and modernity. 3. Afternoon, Nishiki Market. For lunch, explore Nishiki Market, Kyoto's bustling food hub. Sample fresh sashimi, matcha desserts, and local specialties like yatsuhashi. 4. Evening, Keimo River. End your trip by strolling along the Keimo River. Enjoy a peaceful dinner at a riverside restaurant in Pontocho, one of Kyoto's most atmospheric dining districts. And that's my perfect 3-day itinerary for Kyoto. From the golden brilliance of Kinkaku-ji to the vibrant streets of Gion, Kyoto truly offers something for everyone. Which spot are you most excited to visit? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching Japan in your pocket. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone planning a trip to Kyoto. Mata ne!